You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promise.
Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be hitting my gym for the first ever time in my life. Before hitting the gym I'm going to be hitting my 10k steps. Yeah, right before the gym. I should have scattered it throughout the day, but I couldn't because today I had an exam. So the weather is very rainy here in Pakistan. So before we go to the gym, let's hit that 10k steps.
Everything in our city is so flooded with water. I am just glad that my house hasn't been destroyed because of the flood. Even though there is a flood in our city, but the children were playing because they are innocent.
So we are currently in the park and the park is quite flooded because of the rain. Anyways, we are going to be hitting 10k steps in this park. And
The children are enjoying
we will
every
have
single moment
back
of
and
their life.
bicep. We're going to be hitting back and bicep in the gym.
The park was flooded with water because of the heavy rainfall. This rainfall was so heavy that it broke records.
Just completed our 10k
You
steps and
stole
now we are in
my
the
heart
gym.
of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my